always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Check of Storm Track Live right now shows the heaviest downpours are now moving on the northeast side of Grand Rapids in through Mount Calm County and zipping off very quickly to the north. We also still have a few thunderstorms that are moving over Lake Michigan, and they don't really have a lot of lightning associated with them, but the fact that they've been able to strengthen here over the last 20 to 30 minutes means that they do bear watching. So if we look at these showers and storms right now, we've got a decent downpour at Port Sheldon and Grand Haven, but the stronger cells yet are still over the water. So if we track some of these into Muskegon and Norton Shores, they should be rolling into Norton Shores around 11:20 or so, Muskegon 11:26, Dalton around 11:34, and then Cedar Creek closer to about 11:40. So again, moving fairly quickly off to the north and the east. Right now, it looks like Saugatuck should get a bit of a break. Also Allendale, Sparta, Rockford, not seeing the heaviest of downpours. Grand Rapids itself is also seeing some pretty light rain, but the heavy stuff is moving off to the northeast. So Big Rapids, Mount Pleasant, Chippewa, between about now and midnight, you'll see these downpours exit on through. The only other thing that we're going to want to keep our eye on are some of these discrete cells that are over Lake Michigan currently. These too could pick up some lightning, and so we will be watching them closely as they continue to move out towards South Haven. I think this should arrive in the next, I would say, 40 minutes or so. So if we look at the entirety of the system, it has this beautiful swirl to it. It really resembles a tropical system, even though it's still so far from the tropics, but it has not ingested any cold air yet. So this is purely a tropical system still, which is really impressive at this latitude. We have a cold front that's just off to our west. This is going to move through tomorrow. That does have cold air associated with it, and that actually is going to give us a better source of lift. That's why, as Bill Steffen was mentioning, we have a chance of some strong to severe storms again tomorrow. Best chance is going to be on the east side of 131, and the time frame is between noon and 6 o'clock tomorrow. So here's how to look on Wednesday. Will be mostly cloudy with some scattered showers, and then through the afternoon, a chance of thunderstorms. For Thursday, 74 degrees, still breezy, big waves out on Lake Michigan. Friday, things start to settle down. Here's the downpours moving out on your Futurecast by 3 a.m. Just some light rain showers. Tomorrow, you might wake up to some sprinkles. Even as late as about noon, it should be pretty tame. But watch what happens once we get to lunchtime. Showers and storms erupt as the cold front finally enters in, and these are the ones that could be strong to severe. So time frame for us is most likely going to be around 3 o'clock. By 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, they start to move to the other side of Lake Michigan. Again, just keep an eye out on Lake Michigan too. Tomorrow and Thursday, waves are going to grow quite considerably, so it will be dangerous, even though the storm action is going to start to settle down by Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, things get a lot easier to take with 70s and sunshine. So this is definitely the most active time frame here in the next 24 hours.